Hi, in this video we are going to understand of the spread operator. So basically a spread operator it will use to copy array of all value to another array. So now understand with example. First I create a array. Suppose week 1 and week 1 value is just Sunday, Monday and I copy second, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now we have 4 array and I want to all the array value to another array. Now for that I use spread operator. For spread operator array, before array we have must add 3 times dot. Now I add here spread operator v1 comma v. Now here v, what happened, v w1 it is copy all value to the result. Now I run this file. Before that I print out in a log result. Now Sunday, Monday, first v1 all value, all elements copy into the result. Now if I want to more than one array merge into result, then we can use comma operator. Again we can copy w2 array and w3 comma w4. Now it would be 4 arrays value element store in a result. Now I run this file. Now we can see that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, all of 4 arrays elements store in a results. So that is benefit of spread operator. We cannot manually do program for one array's value. We can initialize another array using push method. So spread operator it will use to copy of array at all element to the targeted array. So this way we can implement spread operator.